If it stops falling over, it's not going to explode.
It's still reacting though, very turbulently at the bottom. So, Hunter, I'd lean it up against that blue case and move back. Unless you want to smell like vinegar all day. It's one thing to be in a room that smells like it. If it still react. If it bursts, y'all are still in the lead, but I can beat you. So, what's your thoughts? Are you right?
I think she's done.
Yeah. If I'm fixing to measure it, see if
You're willing to bet the farm on it.
That's
You-
fine.
It's still going.
Yeah. I mean, I'm willing to walk with that thing around with me all day.
Okay, it's starting to settle now.
You're gonna be sitting over there, it's just gonna pop.
No.
Yeah, this would definitely fail you. No, and I'm jumpy. You and Allie, God bless. I believe we have a winner, folks. Stoichiometry ruled in the end. Any final remarks?
Fixing to make sure I was right.